Good morning, mathematicians. I am going to help you out with question number 4 on Tuesday's Indirect Measurement Real World Problems worksheet. Had some comments, one from Trevor who said that he got 80 and he checked it out, and so I worked it out, and I'm pretty sure I know how he got 80, so let me go ahead and work it out the correct way so that you get the 120 feet that the correct answer shows, and then we can go back and show you how you may have gotten 80. Okay, to save some time, I already drew the little diagram of what number 4 has on it. It says a surveying team needs to measure the distance across the lake. They make the measurements shown along the ground. What is the distance across the lake? So this is the distance that we need to find out. This is what we don't know. So what we don't know always gets a variable. So I'm going to just put an X there. All right, with indirect measurement, we are trying to find similar sides of triangles in order to set them up proportionally. So we have a huge triangle right here, and then we have a smaller triangle right here. They are both right triangles because they have the little designation here, which means they both have 90 degrees here. And they also share a hypotenuse, okay? So if they have those two angles that they have similar proportions for, two angles that are similar, because this angle measurement right here will be the same angle measurement right here since they are parallel lines, that means that these two triangles are similar, which means we can set it up with indirect measurement. To do that, we're going to go ahead and look at, I'm going to do our larger triangle first and set that one up. So for our longer triangle, I have, now this is where I think you guys may have messed up. We have 192 feet. We also have 96 feet. So the entire side for our larger triangle is actually 192 feet plus 96 feet. I think what happened when you got 80 is that you just set it up with 192 feet instead of adding the two together, and that's how I think you got the 80 feet on there. So I have 192 plus 96, that's going to give us 288 feet. So this side of our larger triangle right here is 288 feet. And that is similar to, you have to do the same side on your other triangle. So if I have my large triangle here and I did this left side of my triangle, it doesn't need to be rotated any because it is in the same position as the larger triangle. So I just have to find out where that side is for this smaller triangle, and it is 96 feet. We're going to set that equivalent to another side that is similar on our two triangles. Since I chose to do the larger triangle first, I have to make sure that my measurement over here also belongs to that larger triangle. So since I'm trying to find the distance across the lake here, I'm trying to find X, that is the angle that I want to set up over here because I'm trying to solve for the angle. I'm trying to solve for that side, I apologize. So to do that, I need to look at my side here and see that it is part of my larger triangle. My larger triangle measurement is the 288 feet, so I need to set it equivalent over here. Okay, see how that works? This is my large triangle. 288 feet is this side. If I'm going to have it equivalent to, I have to make sure that I have the same side of that triangle. So then I'm going to go down to my 96 feet. I'm going to find out which side is similar to my X here. And if you go down, it is the 40 feet. So that one is going to go underneath your X. Again, this is my side that's 288 for my large triangle. My smaller triangle is 96 feet. When I set that equivalent, I have to make sure it is a side of that same triangle. Since I did in my larger triangle, I have to have my value X. And for my smaller triangle, that side is similar to 40 feet. From this point on, you are just cross multiplying and dividing. So I have 288 times 40 is equal to 96 times X. 288 times 40, I went ahead and did this on my calculator before the video, so I didn't have to take too much time here. It is 11,520. Equivalent to 96x. I need to isolate my variable. I do that through inverse operation. The inverse operation of multiplication is division, so I'm going to divide each side by 96 to isolate my variable. Those cross out. And when I take 11,520 and divide it by 96, I get 120 feet. And that is our answer.